Look at you walking. Good job. Walk that way. Walk that way. Good job. Look at you.
Look at you. Good girl. Keep going.
Keep going. Just too distracted by that phone.
Yay. Okay, keep walking.
Say, I running. Oh, that's okay.
Stand up.
Stand up. That's the face she's making.
It's okay. Stand up and do it again.
That's okay.
Stand up.
Come here. Come here.
Good girl.
Yay. Go to mommy.
I don't want to get on there.
Well, I'm just go to mommy.
Come on. That's a big girl.
I don't know if there's any more left in there.
I'm getting him, I'm doing everything I can, but nothing is hurting him. I was screaming, I was begging him to let me go.
Come on, we're videotaping you. Come on.
If he was
Here, go to Papa.
Go to Papa.
kept dragging me.
Walk to Papa.
I told him that my mother was outside and I
Walk to Papa. Go.
please don't
Big
kill me.
girl.
But he told me that he was going to kill me. That he
Big
had to kill me.
girl. Yay. She's such a big girl.
Check out the hospital, Dad. They really
Good job.